Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have my 2014 Land Rover Freelander 2, and this is the SI4 model, which has the 2-litre petrol engine, which is also found in the Evoque and the early Discovery Sport. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor on the car, and it's nice and simple to do. All we're going to need is a T20 Torx bit. So the first thing we're going to do is actually open up our bonnet. To do that, go over the passenger side of the vehicle and pull this lever here. Once you've done that, just put your hand in straight above the grille, in between the D and the R, and then there's actually this lever there that you're going to push up, and then that opens up our engine bay. So if you have a problem with your gas struts, I've actually just made a video on replacing mine really cheaply. So if you want to see that, just check that out on my channel. So once the bonnet's open, we can have a little bit of a look around the engine. Obviously we've got some fluids there, main engine cover here with your oil fill up and dipstick. Then over the right hand side we've got our fuse box, our battery box and our air box. So this is actually our mass airflow sensor right on top here, with the electrical connection coming off. Nice and simple. We're going to remove the electrical connection first. Just get your nail in there and pull that red tassel up, and that will allow you to disconnect the electrical connection. And now just tuck that out of the way. You've actually got two screws, one there and one there, which is our T20 Torx bits. So we're going to take those out fully. Once you've undone them, our mass airflow sensor is actually loose, and we can just very carefully take it out. And this is what it looks like. So that is our mass airflow sensor, and you'll notice on the end, that's where your model numbers are. So I won't read them out because I'll let you check on your model, make sure you get the right one. The other way to make sure you get the right part is obviously look at your VIN number. So look at this, it's an actual Fomaco product, so that's Ford Motor Company product. So this was made obviously for the Ford engine. And once you've got your new one, we're just going to go ahead, put it back in the same orientation it come out, and push it all the way down. Just get your screws, start to return them, and then do them up, but make sure you don't over tighten them. Once you've done them up, you can go ahead and put the electrical connection back on, making sure it goes all the way down to the bottom, and you flick the red tab back in. So once that's done, you have successfully replaced your mass airflow sensor on your Land Rover Freelander, Discovery Sport or Evoque. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.